How to use vanilla gift card on Doordash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use vanilla gift card on Doordash. For this, you want to open the Doordash app on your device. Now, before you use the vanilla gift card, you want to make sure that your vanilla gift card has been activated. If it hasn't been activated, then you want to follow the instructions on the back of the card or visit the issuer's website to activate it. Now that it has been activated, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. Then from here, you want to scroll down and find the option of gift cards. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you should be able to find all of your gift cards. You can purchase new gift cards from here as well. Now, if you already have the vanilla gift cards redeem code, then you want to tap on the redeem option at the top right corner of your screen. Here on this box, you will have to enter the gift card PIN. So go ahead and enter the PIN over here. Then once you have entered the PIN, you want to tap on redeem to your account option. By selecting redeem to your account, you agree to the gift card terms and conditions. Now, if the gift card code is valid, it will be successfully added to your account. Now, at the checkout, you can ensure that vanilla gift card is selected as the payment method in order to use your gift card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.